Ready to transform your listing from a hidden gem into the talk of the agent town, turning for sale into sold in record time. Alright, let's dive straight into Kvcore and get your listing the attention it deserves. Start by clicking on the Marketplace tab located in the left-hand navigation menu. This is your central hub for accessing powerful marketing tools. Next, navigate to the Smart Campaigns section here. You'll find pre-built campaigns designed to target specific audiences, including agents. Look for campaigns specifically tailored for promoting listings to other agents. These often highlight features like commission splits and property details that resonate with fellow real estate professionals. Now, customize your selected campaign. Pay close attention to the email content. Make sure it's concise, visually appealing, and includes key details like the property address, price, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and any unique selling points. High-quality photos or a virtual tour link are also essential. Targeting is key. Use Kvcore's filtering options to narrow your audience to agents within your brokerage, agents specializing in certain property types, or agents active in specific geographic areas close to your listing. Be strategic to maximize your reach with agents that are most likely to bring a beer. Time to send that listing out. Once you're satisfied with your customizations and targeting, activate the Smart Campaign. Kvcore will automatically send your tailored message to the selected agents, keeping your listing top of mind and hopefully generating some beer interest. Lastly, don't forget to monitor your results. Kvcore provides detailed analytics on your campaign's performance, so you can see open rates, click-through rates, and more. Use this data to refine your strategy and optimize future campaigns for even better results. Happy selling!